we have talked a lot about shapes and dinosaur shapes. Remember the triangle, the circle, the square, and the rectangle. Okay, so now that we know our shapes, well, we have templates here to make beautiful dinosaurs. So you have your templates and you have your shape sheet. Now, this, depending on the age of your kids, their level, the number of kids you have in your group, you can either have them have them cut the shapes, or you cut it for them, and you have a lot of shapes. Here, for example, I cut it for them before, so we have different plates with the shapes. So how this is gonna start is, first we're going to place the shapes on the dinosaur to make the dinosaur, to have them practice fine motor skills and recognizing and placing. And for this first round, we're just gonna go around and ask them questions. Okay, so guys, go make a dinosaur. Not with glue, just place them. Okay, a half circle. Repeat.
A half circle.
Very good. What is it? It's a triangle?
No.
It's a
square.
A square. Very good. What is it? It's a circle. Okay. Ooh, and here, do we put a big circle or small circle?
We put small circle.
A small circle. Very good. And here, we put a big circle. Very good. So your kids are having fun. They're placing the things. Excellent. They're trying to see, is it a rectangle, is it a triangle? So you have a long triangle, a short triangle, etc., etc. So really the goal is for them to be able to finish this. Oh, you're missing one circle? Oh, that's okay. It's okay. When that happens, of course, you cut another one. So I recommend printing extra, along with printing extra templates, because kids mess up. They're kids. It's normal. Finished? Wow, good job. Now, if you want to go even further, you can go for round 2. Take the dinosaur and say, "Oh no! There's an earthquake! An earthquake! Oh no! Earthquake! 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 Oh no! In your plate! Earthquake in your plate. Okay, and you can have them start again and ask them even more questions. We're going to skip right on to round 3, where we're going to glue. Okay, now they know exactly where it's placed, so we can start to glue. So, do you want glue? Can I have glue, please?
Can I have glue, please?
Yes, you can.
Can I have glue, please?
Yes, you can. Here you go.
Thank you.
Open the glue. Okay, and now glue the shapes. Glue the shapes. Glue the shapes. Go. Very good. Use the glue stick or the glue that is the most appropriate for your kids' age. If your kids are 6 or 7, this is fine. If your kids are younger, you may want to help them by gluing the entire template and have them place the shapes on it. But basically, once this is done, you have a beautiful dinosaur. And it's a good moment to decorate your dinosaur, give it a name, and write a sentence with it. For example,
my dinosaur is yellow.
Yeah, something like that. Or his name is Jackosaurus. Or if your kid's name is Stephanie, Stephaniesaurus. Okay, something like that. So, or Lenosaurus, or Cliffosaurus. Okay, something fun. Have fun with this activity. Bye, everyone. Bye.
Bye.